All right, guys, here we go. I'm going to do a real quick video on the post I made to kind of clear up some stuff regarding the theta price prediction and how here's the post right here, actually. There's an old stock market rule of thumb that once, a stock, not crypto, a stock hits $80, it has an 80% chance of hitting 120, okay? And then, obviously, how long is that going to take? Or are we even going to make it to $80? And the reason why I brought that up and said that is that we called the same prediction for Litecoin back in 2017. Matter of fact, that's when I first got into crypto. Just honestly, just right place, right time. First quarter of 2017, got in $7,800, sub $5 Litecoin. You know the rest of the story. And then later on in 2021, we did the same thing with Sol. Okay, when it was running up to 80 bucks, and obviously the rest of the story there. And I just wanted to clarify that it's worked a couple of times in the past, and might be an opportunity to look forward in the future if one of your other cryptos hit that, or even a stock, or for sure theta. And very conservatively, very realistically, I think we can double what we did last time. So I'm talking 30 to 40 bucks on theta. And the reason being is that well, first of all, I can't really get in this chart too much just for our paid Patreon members, but there's certain measured moves here that we're now over, which again gives us higher odds, higher percentage of continuation to the upside, and also helps hold a foundation for any back tests to the downside. Okay, and then on top of that, the amount of money that'll be coming in to crypto, not just with the spot ETFs, with the FOMO. You know how that always goes each bull cycle. And this will be my third one, so we're basing that off of previous experience, real life experience, seeing how this market runs. And that's what I really want to have you pay attention to. But also, another post I made yesterday really didn't get a whole lot of traction, which is fine. Uh, but really, it's the most important thing. I mean, people love to see the price predictions, but even more important than that is that it's easy to buy. Anybody can go in there and buy either the crypto, the stocks, gold, silver, whatever it may be. But the trick is where you make your money, or you lose your money, is knowing where and how and when to sell. Okay, and you can ask any of our Patreon members. That's what we're driving right now. That's what we're putting up a video every night, reinforcing that skill, reinforcing that education on how to spot the tops, how to spot the pullbacks, where to scale out, scale in. And that's what we use. We don't go 100% all the way in or 100% all the way out. We scale in over time. That's what the pros do. That's what the institutions do. And then we start scaling out when we start seeing those tops being put in. And what we look for, without giving too much away here, what we look for in order to determine a top or a near-term top. And then also right here is our well, where you see the white arrows is the halving. Okay, there was a previous halving, and here's the next one in April of 2024. And we already have it mapped out where we expect the crypto market to peak out at, the exact month. So that's how serious we are about this in the cycles, and playing the game in such a way that we put the odds and percentages in our favor, in our Patreon members' favor. Okay, because I don't know how many more cycles we're going to go through that we're going to see this massive amount of percentage gains. Okay, and the reason why I say that, with the influx of money coming in, the acceleration of capital coming in to this market over this next cycle, how many more cycles with that much or more money is there going to be coming in to the market. Okay, so at some point in time, things are going to start leveling out, I believe. Okay, and there's going to be less. Well, the more water that's in the pool, the less waves you're going to be able to make in there. Okay, I don't know if that's the best analogy or not, but a kiddie pool, you can get in there and it doesn't take much, leverage, weight coming down into the pool, whatever that is, like putting a beach ball in the pool, you can push it down and then you can see the water being pushed up. Then you take that same beach ball, to a regular size backyard pool, push it down, it's not even going to hardly make the water move. So that's why we want to, get as much out of this next cycle as possible. We're taking it very serious because it can make a huge difference in your, family's financial future, so on and so forth. Not that, the crypto market is going to be dead after this cycle. And well, at some point it'll start pulling back and it will be dead as you can see right here. But anyway, uh, it's always this, the good altcoins, the good technology, the good teams, more importantly, okay? Because you can think about this, McDonald's sells more hamburgers than anybody else in your town. However, you probably can think of two, three, four restaurants or mom and pop places that can actually make a better hamburger, okay? But because of the marketing and the community and the way they're set up, the technology of McDonald's, figuring out where to go, where to put their stores and things of that nature, they're going to outsell you. Okay, so the best technology is not necessarily going to win this game. Okay, you got to have the whole patois. Okay, you got to have everything in your favor, which is hard to find. Okay, but anyway. None of this financial advice. The only thing I know is that I know nothing at all, and I want to make that clear. But yeah, I have big expectations for the whole market, even the crap coins. All high tide raises all ships. Some are going to raise a little bit faster and harder than others. And the only thing I know, well, what I would say, go back to your coins and look whatever you're holding. And if your coin had a big, I'm making this as simple as possible, had a big green candle here the week of October 23rd this year, of course, and then possibly even had a follow through week, then you have a high percentage, high odds coin that's getting capital coming in that's going to be a winner. Again, not financial advice. I'm just going on, what we see here on the charts, and really the charts never lie. So yeah, if your coin, whatever, is taking a little push to the upside now, maybe even consolidating some. And the most important thing is that you had a breakout, a nice green bullish engulfing clearing takeout candle the week of the 23rd, then the odds are in your favor. Okay, so good luck to everybody. Be cool to to keep track of everybody's how everybody's doing. And anyway, yeah, just remember to take profits on the way up, and because nothing goes up forever, as we well know. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and we will see you on the charts.